Hey there, you've just opened a new bank account. You're excited to start using it, but there's one hurdle: verification. How long will it take? Let's find out. Hook. Ever waited for something so badly you could feel the minutes ticking by? That's how it feels when you're waiting for Monzo to verify your account. But don't worry, I'm here to give you the lowdown on how long it typically takes and what factors might influence the process. What is Monzo verification? Before we dive into the timing, let's quickly understand what Monzo verification is. Basically, it's a process where Monzo confirms your identity to ensure you're who you say you are. This is a standard security measure that most banks implement. Factors affecting verification time. There are a few factors that can affect how long Monzo takes to verify your account. Let's break them down. Document quality. The quality of the documents you upload plays a crucial role. If your documents are blurry, unclear, or missing information, it might take longer for Monzo to verify them. Document type. The type of document you use for verification can also impact the time. Some documents, like passports, might be processed faster than others. Verification method. Monzo might offer different verification methods, such as ID verification via video call or document upload. The method you choose could influence the processing time. System load. Sometimes, Monzo's verification system might be experiencing high traffic. This could lead to slight delays in processing your request. Manual review. In some cases, your verification might require manual review by a Monzo representative. This could take a bit longer than automated verification. Typical verification times. Now, let's get to the main question: how long does it typically take for Monzo to verify your account? While there's no exact time frame, here's a general breakdown. Instant verification. In some cases, Monzo can verify your account instantly, especially if you're using a passport and the document quality is high. Within 24 hours, for most users, verification should be completed within 24 hours. Up to 72 hours, in rare cases, it might take up to 72 hours for verification to be completed. This could happen if there are issues with your documents or if your verification requires manual review. Tips for faster verification. Here are a few tips to help you speed up the verification process. Prepare your documents in advance. Make sure you have all the necessary documents ready before starting the verification process. Ensure document quality. Take clear, well-lit photos of your documents to avoid any issues. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to Monzo's instructions during the verification process. Be patient. Remember that verification can take some time. Try to avoid contacting Monzo multiple times to check on the status. What to do if verification takes longer? If your verification seems to be taking longer than expected, here's what you can do. Check your email. Monzo might send you an email if there are any issues with your verification. Contact Monzo support. If you're still unsure about the status of your verification, don't hesitate to contact Monzo's customer support. Conclusion. So, there you have it. While the exact verification time can vary, you can generally expect it to be completed within a few days. By following the tips we've discussed, you can help ensure a smooth and efficient verification process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.